Aaliyah, one of the best names I ever heard in my life.
That's right.
Yes, you are awesome. Now, I am asking people about Miss Dig 811. So, do you know why you should call Miss Dig 811?
If I plan on digging in my yard.
Yes, you should. Now, and what will it do for you if you call ahead of time?
Protect me from busting any kind of line in the ground.
Yes, because you've witnessed that, right?
Yes, I have. City employees, I've watched them bust a line before.
Well, there we go. So, we're going to call 811. You know to call 811. And do you think it'll keep people safe?
Yes, definitely.
That is awesome. Well, thank you for your time.
Thanks for watching Miss Diggs. What's the 811? Remember, always be smart, be safe, and call Miss Dig 811 before you dig.